The exhibition staff is very exciting and informative. They are very enthusiastic and constantly introduce the products. There are many discounts and it is worth a visit. Easy to buy the tickets through online, very smooth to get in the venue. The event offered a wide range of products for home use, a very pleasant experience of this event. There are dozens of stalls selling furniture and household equipment, which provide many choices for home decoration. However, there are fewer stalls related to storage space. It is a good exhibition that brings together many different needs for home decoration and design, including wooden doors, bricks, hardware, sofas, etc. Very easy, convenient, good furniture. Expo caters for all. Ready to use. Within 2 minutes of purchasing, a QR code will be sent to you via email, and you can enter by scanning it. It's so convenient. Instant ticket after purchase, good event. Would visit once again next year. Ticket lets you access both furniture and travel expo. QR code was available in 10 seconds. Get to skip the line for tickets. Nice and quick experience. Very good. It is very convenient to purchase this ticket via mobile phone. When using it, there will be a special announcement to quickly enter the ticket, saving time on buying flights and queuing up for admission. Go to the convention and exhibition station and buy first. It's super convenient to buy and use immediately without queuing. I saw door A low on the subway and wanted to buy a mattress. I'll try it and buy it first. Electronic tickets for Home Expo 2024 are very convenient and can be entered directly. There are not too many people there on Friday night, so it is suitable for people who are preparing to renovate or move houses. The Home Expo is diverse, with everything from decoration design to furniture and home appliances to choose from. The place is huge, so you need to reserve a whole day to visit it. First time to the Home Expo, home appliances are very cheap, and there is a lot of furniture to see. There is no need to queue up to buy tickets on site, you can enter at the speed of light and the experience is very good. It's convenient to use electronic tickets. Just go to the entrance and ask for the QR code. There's so much to eat and so many discounts. Easy to redeem and use, just line up directly at gate 10. Lots of crowds but deals are pretty good.